Hello everybody, let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. It's pretty amazing. Let's start to creating. At first, when you zoom out, you find that there are just some rectangles. Let's create them. In the blank space, we need our text. Let me just copy and paste them. The text is just easy text, nothing special about that. After that, you create a rectangle and you rotate it. And then you create another one, then by control rotate them, paste it here, and copy and then rotate it. Then this is the shape you wanted, but now you need to align them. What means you align them? Let me show you in the new slide. For example, we have this here, and you say here align it left, you see, or align it right. It's going to make it to the place you want. But when you bring this, it's aligning to middle. With this option you can change the place of this thing, and it's important to change that. Or you can also format the shape from here, the position. You see, the vertical position, you can make it from the center. And after making everything from center, when you align it to left or align it to top, nothing is happening. Why? Because the dispersion is horizontally and from the middle of that. So this is the main problem. But when you make it 0, also nothing going to happen. But when you say from the top left, it's going to get to the top left. So the main thing you can understand the concept and put it in the middle from here. So how we can do that? We can do that thing. How? It's really easy. We go to the text and we go to size. You see the size is, the width is 605. We make it 7 for every one of them. We make the weight 7. Okay, now we here go to the position. You see 7 half 2, that means 305. Or in another row, in another way, let me go there. It means 4, but 4 plus something. But something, you see, the 4 is from the middle. Because of that, you need to change that thing here. From center, 4. 3.5. Okay. And also this thing, you must make it from the middle and 3.5. From the center. But you see the problem is that it's going to go on top of that. Because of that, we just align it with the hand. Minus 305 and these two are going to be the same problem. We go here, you see the size is 7, and when you rotate it, this number is changing. So when we set the number from center and we gave it 3.5, where did the shape go? It goes down. So because of that, I think it's here the number going to work. Let me just do this by hand. And I think when we have one of them, it's more visible to see the best place. The best place for that shape is top left corner. Okay, now we put them here and then set them from the top left corner, and the same number we want. Okay, everything is ready. I just need to put it a little here and a little here. Okay, now we select all 4 of them and we change the shape format, shape outline to none, and then change the color to the color we want. I'm going to work with this blue, and then make the transparency a little low for the effect to create it. Also, you can send this to back and increase the transparency. Now you copy that. You see in the first slide, you need to bring everything down by holding Control. Okay. Let me bring it out. Now you bring it top, bring it down, change this color to the color you want. For now, we are going with blue. Okay, now set the transition to morph, and your slide is ready. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until the next lesson, have a nice time.